Today I'm going to dive into how to make really good videos for the Amazon Influencer Program. I know you don't have to have a full studio setup with a big expensive camera and a big expensive microphone and a big expensive LED light circle. I know you can just make them on your cell phone. I know you can edit them with CapCut. You can do whatever else. But when people say good quality, I've been kind of mulling this over for a long time. They say good quality. What that means is a video that appeals to the person who's trying to buy something. So in this demonstration, I'm going to use this lavalier mic that I just got. So a bad video would be me getting the box, opening the box, being really boring, where I pull the cellophane off everything and go, oh look, oh yeah, that's USB-C charging, that's awesome, and there's 3 of them. Well, I guess that makes sense because I've got an extra mic so 2 people could talk at the same time and they'll sync to the pod that's in the camera, and I'm going into all this detail, all this boring stuff, right? That's not how you make a good video. A good unboxing video is, hey, I just got this out of the box and this is super cool. I got 3 charging cables. I've got a case that comes with it. I've got 2 of these little fuzzy things that go over the mic holder. There's 2 mics that go with it. They're super easy to turn on and set up and synchronize. There's pieces in my camera up there. This one is moderately priced, so I'm going to enjoy that part of it, and it's going to really add to the quality of my video because wind noise, background noise, kids chirping and whatever else, or me getting farther away from the camera, the audio goes up and down or whatever else. So that's another tip to making a really good video, is having good audio. People seem to get really upset with audio. I've gotten yelled at in comments a lot on my YouTube videos because I take videos outside and there's always a military Black Hawk helicopter going over, or there's cars driving up and down the street or things like that. It's distracting. People have also said, hey, is that a Black Hawk flying over your house? I'm like, yep, they fly over all the time. It's really kind of cool, actually. But anyway, another thing to make a really good quality video is your background. See, I'm sitting in a lawn chair, but you can't really see that, but I'm sitting here, I'm in front of the camera, I am looking at a screen on my phone or on my camera, so I can see that I'm in frame. What I'm going to demo is right here. It's in focus. I don't have any not out of the frame videos that I used to take with my camera before I upgraded to one where the screen flips around. And the other thing about making a good video is pretend like you're talking to your buddy at work. Hey, I was home recording this weekend and I got my new microphone set and it is super cool. Well, how's it? Your friend says, well, how does it work? You say, well, there's 3 cords that charge it, 3 components, and each of the mics have a little fuzzy thing to help keep spit off them and wind off them and things like that. And then there's a module that plugs into my camera. It's completely wireless. I've used it for a month now and I haven't had to recharge them. That's all great and everything else. So I'm talking, I'm explaining, I'm giving details. I'm trying to help somebody who's going to buy this have the expectation of what they've got once they buy it, how they use it. Other videos that I do that are pretty good are more detailed, but they're installation videos. How I had to take this out of the box and assemble these pieces, put it on, put it up. Things with installation options are generally outdoors or tools or industrial or things like that, and they also have a higher commission rate. So those are great. And then another thing, do not start your video by saying, hi, my name is Tim. I'm an Amazon influencer, and today I'm going to give you an honest review. Now let's go look at this. The honest review makes me cringe. We're not reviewing things and we're not really honest. We are trying to help somebody make a purchase. So if I get something that I just really don't like and I think it's garbage, giving somebody an honest review this thing is actually garbage. It's really cheap and chintzy, isn't honest, isn't helping the person buy something. And if I said, oh, hey, I got this, this is how it works and this is what it looks like, and deep down I'm thinking this thing's garbage, it just broke and fell apart, then you're not giving an honest review, and you especially don't want to tell people that. Another thing is just keep to reviewing items that you know. Then the quality is going to be a lot better. Your videos are going to be a lot better if I can actually talk about the fact that I know this is wireless and it's connecting through Bluetooth from here to there, and I understand Bluetooth and I understand the range on Bluetooth and I'm good with that and whatever else. But if you want me to start talking about makeup, I'd be like, here's a pack of makeup. It looks like there's 46 colors in it. I guess you smear this on your face somehow. I don't know anything about makeup. Not at all. Not even for 1 second. So I'll do tools, I'll do outdoors, I'll do electronics, I'll do camping, RV, solar, electric, lights, flashlights, all kinds of cool stuff like that. But if it's not in my wheelhouse, don't even try to make a video for it. Don't even try to fake somebody out on it. So I hope that helps on what it means to make a good video for the AMZ Influencer Program. So check out below. I've got a free guide on how to make more money in the influencer program. I have a guide that you can purchase on how to get free products, which is one of the coolest parts about the influencer program. Vendors and people will just start sending you free stuff. All you have to do is build your store up big enough and then start asking, and or they will just find you and say, hey, do you want this? Do you want that? I saw your video for your cat toys. We have a cat toy. Do you want to do our cat toy? Like, sure, I've got a cat. You know, I've gotten a lot of dog stuff. I have 4 dogs around here, so I've got dog trainers and dog collars and dog vests and all kinds of dog stuff that people give me, and I can honestly review them and I can test them. I can put them on my great big dog or my tiny little yappy dog. So that works. Another thing, another way to make a lot more money in the influencer program is with the Oink extension. If you don't know what that is, go down. You can download a free copy of it, or you can use my discount code to get the yearly version. And then I will tell you that with the yearly version, I bought that, and within 2 weeks I'd made back the whole yearly version price of $180, and I'm just on a roll to make an extra $400 to $500 per month just because of the Oink tool. And there's a guy named Fizz that writes it. He's got all kinds of videos. He's in the influencer program big time, and he's writing it for himself and selling it, sharing with other people, so he's adding extra stuff all the time, and it's just really actually pretty darn cool. So check all those, get on my newsletter, and I'll have some more videos coming out for you shortly. Thanks. Like, share, subscribe, and tell your mom.